Hello, garden buddy. How are you doing? I'm happy to share with you today a plant which is very common here, the golden pothos, or the amazing lucky water plant. It has heart-shaped leaves and can come in simple green or simple yellow or variegated yellow-green colors. You will truly appreciate the golden photos for many reasons. First, it is available everywhere here and is very affordable. Second, the wonder of this plant is that it thrives both in water and on soil, depending on the planter's choice. Of course, if you decide to shift the plant from water to soil or vice versa, just like your human friends, do give it time to adjust. Third, Pothos is not a demanding partner. As long as it has some sunlight and a little of your attention, you can leave it be. When you leave home and come back at any time, it welcomes you just as warmly. Fourth, it is kinda independent and in one sense, a survivor. Our pothos plants outdoors have grown somewhat bushy and wild. They have survived the hot summer sun, low pressure areas, typhoons, strong and gusty winds. Fifth, pothos are known to enhance prosperity, lasting true friendships, family solidarity. Well, buddy, if you have photos already in your garden, then give me 5. Enjoy your plant. See you soon. Sayonara.